The Sunny-16 rule says that if you're in a bright, sunny day and you set your camera at f16 aperture, then the correct shutter speed will be 1 divided by the ISO that you are using. Let's put that into practice. We'll set the ISO for 100. Now let's set the aperture for f16. As we can see, with these settings, I am very overexposed. So let's apply the math. Divide 1 by whatever ISO you selected. In my case, it's 100 ISO, so 1 divided by 100 gives me 1/100th of a second. So if I change my f-stop to 1/100th of a second and I take a photo, the photo will be correctly exposed.